Some LG ranges and over-the-range microwaves allow for smart pairing. The smart pairing feature for this microwave pairs the two so that every time a burner is ignited on the range's cooktop, the microwave's cooktop fan and lights turn on. This feature is compatible with the following LG over-the-range microwaves and oven ranges. Before you begin pairing, make sure both the range and microwave are connected to the LG ThinQ app. Open the app, select the range, and then select Useful Features. Next, select Connected Ventilation Settings. Select the over-the-range microwave. Smart pairing is now active. From the app, you can set the microwave's cooktop light to turn on and adjust the brightness level. You can also adjust the fan speed from low to high.